Well, it's that time of the year again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious ginger beer recipe. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now here is the first step. Let's get started. Now here is what you will need for today's recipe. I'll be using some orange peel, one small lime. I have some ginger that I already washed and peeled. If you would like to leave the skin on, you can totally do that. It's fine. I also have here some mix essence, one cinnamon stick, and a few pieces of clove. Now let's get started by cutting our ginger into small pieces. Today I will be using a mini chopper. If you don't have a mini chopper, you can use a cheese grater, or you can even use a blender and blend this into small pieces. Now this is the size I'm going to keep them, and I'm going to add that to my mini chopper here. And I will continue doing this and come back and show you guys the next step. Now, after I'm done chopping my ginger, it's time to blend it. So since I'm using a mini chopper, I don't need to add any water into this. But if you are using a blender and you have to add some water and it comes out into a puree consistency, that is totally fine. You don't have to worry about it. It will not change the recipe taste in any way. And here is the texture of my ginger after I finished chopping it. So if you're using a cheese grater or you're using a blender, it doesn't matter, guys. It will not change the recipe taste in any way. Now, after I'm done blending my ginger, I'm going to add it to my glass jar. Now, because we are going to leave this to ferment for the next 2 to 3 days, I would recommend that you use a glass jar for the fermentation process. Now to the jar, I'm going to go in with my cinnamon stick, my clove, my essence, followed by my orange peel and my 2 slices of lime. And here I have the 2 end slices of the lime. I'm just going to squeeze the juice out in the jar as well. Now after everything is added, I'm going to go in with my sugar. I'm only going to be using 1 cup of sugar for now. After everything is fermented, I'm going to taste and make any adjustment that is needed. And now I'm going to go in with my water. In this step, I will be using some hot water. I find using the hot water always help with the fermentation process. Just remember to leave an inch of empty space for any froth that will be building up during the fermentation process. After you're done, you want to give this a good stir, making sure that all the ingredients are combined, the sugar is melted, and we are just going to allow this to sit and come back down to room temperature. Now here is a look when it's at room temperature. Now I'm going to add a piece of plastic wrap on the top, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit for the next 2 to 3 days. After sitting for 2 to 3 days, I will come back and show you guys the end results. So guys, I'm back after 3 days, and this is how my ginger beer is looking. Everything is looking really nice. Now we're gonna open this to see how it's looking on the inside. And that's how it's looking. It smells amazing as well. Now you're gonna grab yourself a strainer and a mug. We are then going to empty it, and you wanna be very careful not to make all of that mess I just did there. Now after straining that out, you're going to grab yourself a spatula, and we're just going to squeeze to make sure that we get everything out. We don't want anything to be waste. Now when you're done, you're going to give this a stir, and we are going to make any adjustment that is needed to be made. Now I went in with a little bit more water, and I also went in with some more sugar. If you would like to add in a little bit more essence, you can go right ahead and add it in. But essence is not one of my family's favorite, so I will not be adding in any essence. Also, I made 2 batches of the ginger beer. I sweetened some a little bit lighter because my kids don't really like it when it's very spicy. My husband, on the other hand, will drink it when it's spicy. That's the way he like it. So you can adjust this to the way you like it or your family likes it. Depend on how spicy you like it. You know, make any adjustments that will suit your family preference. Now, after all that hard work, go ahead and pour yourself out a glass of ginger beer, add some ice to that, and enjoy. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipe. Bye. See you in my next video.